In the vast expanse of our solar system, a groundbreaking mission is about to take flight. NASA's Dragonfly, a rotorcraft lander, is set to embark on an epic journey to Saturn's moon Titan. This ambitious mission, made possible by SpaceX's Falcon Heavy rocket, aims to unlock the mysteries of this intriguing celestial body. Titan, with its unique characteristics and potential for life, has captivated scientists for decades. Dragonfly is poised to revolutionize our understanding of this distant world and shed light on the possibility of life beyond Earth. Dragonfly represents a significant leap forward in space exploration. It is the first mission to send a multi-rotor aircraft to another world. This innovative spacecraft will be capable of flying through Titan's dense atmosphere, allowing scientists to explore various locations and gather unprecedented data. The mission is a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. Dragonfly promises to unveil a treasure trove of information about Titan, its history, and its potential to support life as we know it. The mission is a collaboration between NASA and several international partners. It is a testament to the power of global cooperation in pushing the boundaries of space exploration. The data collected by Dragonfly will be invaluable to scientists worldwide, providing insights into the formation and evolution of planetary systems. This mission is not just about exploring Titan, it's about expanding our understanding of the universe and our place within it. The launch of Dragonfly is scheduled for 2028, and the spacecraft is expected to arrive at Titan in 2034. The journey will be long, but the rewards are immeasurable. Dragonfly has the potential to rewrite our understanding of the solar system and inspire future generations of scientists and explorers. The mission is a beacon of hope, reminding us that even in the face of immense challenges, humanity's thirst for knowledge and exploration knows no bounds. Titan, the largest moon of Saturn, is a world of wonder and intrigue. It is the only moon in our solar system known to have a dense atmosphere, and it is shrouded in a thick haze that obscures its surface from view. Beneath this veil lies a world that is both familiar and alien, with landscapes shaped by rivers, lakes and seas, but composed of liquid methane and ethane instead of water. Titan's atmosphere is a chemical soup, rich in organic molecules, the building blocks of life. These molecules are constantly being formed in the upper atmosphere by the interaction of sunlight with methane. They then rain down onto the surface, where they accumulate in vast quantities. This makes Titan a giant natural laboratory for studying the chemistry that led to the origin of life on Earth. One of the most intriguing aspects of Titan is the possibility that it may harbor life. While the surface is too cold for liquid water, which is essential for life as we know it, there is evidence that Titan may have a subsurface ocean of water mixed with ammonia. This ocean, if it exists, could provide a habitable environment for life forms that are very different from those on Earth. Titan is a world of stark beauty and endless scientific potential. It is a place where the familiar and the alien collide, where the laws of physics are the same, but the outcomes are vastly different. By studying Titan, we can gain a better understanding of the diversity of worlds that exist in our universe and the conditions that are necessary for life to arise. Dragonfly is not your typical spacecraft. Instead of wheels or treads, it will sport 8 rotors, allowing it to navigate Titan's dense atmosphere with ease. This unique design will enable Dragonfly to explore a variety of locations across Titan, covering vast distances and gathering data from multiple sites. The mission's primary objective is to search for signs of past or present life. Dragonfly will be equipped with a suite of sophisticated instruments designed to analyze the chemical composition of Titan's surface and atmosphere. It will study the complex organic molecules present on Titan, looking for patterns and anomalies that could indicate a biological origin. Dragonfly will also investigate Titan's methane cycle. On Earth, the water cycle plays a crucial role in regulating our climate and supporting life. On Titan, methane takes on this role, evaporating from lakes and seas, forming clouds, and raining back down onto the surface. Dragonfly will study this cycle in detail, helping scientists understand how it influences Titan's climate and habitability. The mission will also explore Titan's geology. Dragonfly will land in a region thought to be rich in organic molecules and will then hop to other locations, including dunes, craters, and potentially even a riverbed. This exploration will provide valuable insights into Titan's geological history and the processes that have shaped its surface. The Dragonfly mission faces numerous challenges. Titan is a distant and unforgiving world. Its dense atmosphere and low gravity will make flying a challenge for the rotorcraft. The extreme cold will require robust thermal protection for the spacecraft and its instruments. Communication with Earth will be limited and subject to significant delays. Despite these challenges, the potential rewards of the Dragonfly mission are immense. This ambitious endeavor promises to revolutionize our understanding of Titan and its potential for life. It could provide valuable insights into the chemical processes that led to the origin of life on Earth, and perhaps even reveal the existence of life beyond our planet. The data collected by Dragonfly will keep scientists busy for decades to come. It will help us refine our models of planetary formation and evolution, and it could even lead to the discovery of new laws of physics. The mission is a testament to human ingenuity and our insatiable thirst for knowledge. Dragonfly is more than just a mission to Titan. It is a journey into the unknown. It is a symbol of our collective desire to explore the cosmos, to push the boundaries of human knowledge, and to seek answers to some of the most fundamental questions about our place in the universe. The discoveries made by Dragonfly have the potential to change our view of the cosmos and inspire future generations of scientists, engineers, and dreamers.